I'm not spending $22 on a hand cream. I'm not doing it. You might not spend $22 on a hand cream. You ain't doing it. But when your box is $59.99, you'll pick up a $22 hand cream. And that's what I did. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. Today we are getting into the FabFitFun spring box. I think it's a spring box. We did the winter box not too long ago and I got the spring box. This box is going to be not like my last video, but like my other videos where I have no idea what's inside this box. So we go get into the deets because I totally forgot what I picked. I do remember one thing, which is Fenty. There was a lot of Fenty products like in this box. So if you're a Fenty lover, you're going to love this one. But before I get into it, I do not get paid from YouTube, okay? I come on here, I buy anything that I could possibly think of that you guys might want a review on, so that I'm the guinea pig and I try it before you go ahead and spend your own coin, and I let you know whether it's worth your coin or not. So if you are not subscribed already, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I don't know where it's at. It's somewhere here. One of these corners you'll see a diamond. Click that button. It's free and it's easy. Let's get into it. As always, this is going to be my first reaction. I'm opening it with y'all. This has not been opened yet. So let's see what this box is giving. So if you are not someone that is aware of FabFitFun, FabFitFun is a subscription box where you get full-size items for a fraction of the price that full-size items cost. Oh, this is so cute. Just opening this makes me so happy. It's giving spring. It's giving happiness. Like, y'all did that. If you're not aware of FabFitFun, it's a subscription box where you get full-size items for the fraction of the cost. The box itself is worth up to $350, but you're able to get like an annual or quarterly subscription. I don't remember the price, so I'm gonna put it here. And if you are interested in getting a FabFitFun box for yourself, you could use my code. I'll put them right here because I don't remember them, but these codes will get you a discount on your first subscription or your first box. So thank me later. Let me figure out what I got in my box. Let's do it. All right, so like I said, I do not remember what I got. Oh, now I'm remembering. I had a hard time picking out what type of items I wanted, but this box and the selections are literally for anybody. So let me go with the biggest one. So I have here a pan. I got this pan and I was like, you know what, this has to be a very special pan because this pan is $119 retail price. So I'm like, oh, okay, out of all the selections I had in this category, I was like, I'm gonna get this pan because this has to be some type of superhuman pan to cost $119 retail. And the fact that this box that I have currently right now is $59.99, that's that's two of these pans. Two of these pans are the cost of this box. My box has been paid for double, okay? Another item that I had in here, oh yes, the Desi Mask On Overnight Face Mask. So this face mask, I've been seeing Desi items everywhere and I've been intrigued. Yeah, I wasn't gonna spend my own coin on this. This retails for $35 full retail price. So I'm gonna give this a try. I love the packaging. I love how this bottle looks. It's so pretty. So I'm excited. I'm excited about this one. Okay. They had my favorite lip balm in here and I had to get it. This is the Topicals Silk Slick Suave. It's a mint lip balm. Girl, when I tell you, this is literally the best lip balm I have ever tried. This is the best lip balm I have ever tried. I was hesitant to buy a new one because I lost my last one and it's $16. So I was so happy to see that it was in here. So this right here, the reason why I love it is It keeps my lips so moist, so smooth. It's kind of like it's conditioning it or like helping it. I get really chapped lips really often. I have very, very dry lips. I hate it. And this stays on forever. I am a lip balm girly. I think I've tried almost every single lip balm known to man, and this is the only one that lasts on my lips a long time and doesn't budge, doesn't go anywhere. Like an hour, 2 hours, my lips are still moisturized, still glossy, all that jazz. The only thing I don't like about this is it's very sticky. It's super sticky, and I think it's super sticky because it stays on for a long time, but they need to try to fix that part. Outside of that, this is like the perfect lip balm. So I'm so happy that this was in here, and it's $16. Next, I have the full size Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This is one of my favorite primers. I have a video, I'll link it up here, but it's on water-based makeup products, and you should have a all water-based routine when you do your makeup. That's how you ain't gonna be cakey, that's how your makeup ain't gonna slip, that's how your makeup gonna stay on all night, all that jazz. This right here is a part of my water-based makeup routine, and this is one primer that I buy over and over and over and over again. I currently have one right now. It's like halfway done. So I was actually so happy to see that this was in the box, like it's an option, and it's the full size. It retails for $38 full price. $38. Yeah, it's an expensive primer, but it's one of the best primers I have ever used for water-based products. Ooh, okay. This is a hand cream. I have super dry hands. I don't understand. I have super dry skin, but my hands, no matter how much lotion I put on my hands, in about 2 minutes flat, they ashy again. They ashy. Like, I put lotion on before this video, and I'm ashy already. I don't understand. Like, my skin just absorbs whatever I put on it, and I can never stay nice and smooth. My hands and my feet hate me. They're my worst enemy. So I always have hand cream on hand. So when I saw this hand cream, I had to get it. This is the Moroccan oil, which I didn't know they had a hand cream. I know they had like a body serum, which I have, but I had no idea they had a hand cream, and it's an amber noir. I guess that's the scent. How it smells. Oh, that's so hard to open. I like this. It's like cinnamony, like spa, very fresh. And wait, I didn't put on enough. Let's see what she do. Let's see if she moisturizes the way she's supposed to. Oh yeah. Yeah, this feels really good. This is going in my bag. This is going in my bag. Like, y'all, when I say I have to put on hand lotion at least 5 times a day, I'm not exaggerating. I'm not exaggerating at all. The price, the full size bottle retail is $22. Like, I'm not spending $22 on a hand cream. I'm not doing it. You might not spend $22 on a hand cream. You ain't doing it. But when your box is $59.99, you'll pick up a $22 hand cream. And that's what I did. Okay, and the last item I have in here is the Living Proof Clarifying Shampoo. Listen, one thing about FabFitFun boxes, they gonna have some form of shampoo and conditioner in their box. And the thing about me, the shampoo and conditioner that they usually have is a shampoo and conditioner I am not buying in real life. Like, it is not happening. I'm not spending my money on these expensive ass shampoos that I don't know if it's gonna work for my hair, because it's normally used for, so I don't know. But I saw this, I was intrigued. I need a new clarifying shampoo. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, yep, I'm getting it. I want to try it. I hope it clarifies my scalp. This right here retails for $36, which I don't know about you, but in the real world, I'm not spending $36 on shampoo that I don't know that I like. I'll spend $36 on shampoo, but that I know works for my hair. And yeah, this is my last item. I ain't got nothing else. I don't got nothing else to show. But the total of my box, it ended up being $227. So for $227, I got 6 items that are well over the price of what I would normally pay for items like these. And it is literally quadruple is how much? 4 or 5? Let me know in the comments what is quadruple. But it is, I know at least it is 3 times as much as the cost of the box. All of these items that I have, oh wait, no, it's not 6, 7 items. So all these items are way more than the cost of the box. Listen, I'll spend my own coin so you don't have to. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. I will be back with another one, something different, something informal, something educational, like I normally post or I used to post. I got off track, but I'll be back. All right, see you soon.